Hello, and welcome to Learn Go in 3 hours. My name is John Bodner, and I'll be teaching you what you need to get up and running in one of the fastest growing languages in computing. Before I begin, I'd like to introduce myself. As I said, my name is John Bodner. I've been working as a software engineer, lead developer, and architect for over 20 years in nearly every corner of the software industry. Educational software, e-commerce, financial, healthcare, government, enterprise software, and internet infrastructure. I've been programming in Go for several years now, and I have released several open source projects written in Go. I've spoken on Go at Gotham Go, GopherCon, DevFest DC, and Capital Go. I've also published several blog posts on Go on Medium. Let's begin by going over what we will cover in this course. In our first section, Why Go, we will learn why you'd want to use Go, and we will install a working Go development environment on our computers. In section 2, we run our first real Go program and learn about variable declarations and primitive types. In section 3, we cover control structures and functions and how to use pointers in Go. Section 4 is about organizing your code using packages and imports, as well as container types like slices, maps, and structs. In section 5, we'll learn about error handling in Go, along with methods and interfaces, which provide Go's object-oriented features. Finally, in section 6, we learn about Go's concurrency support via Go routines, channels, and select statements. In order to get the most out of this course, there are some things you should know before you begin. This course assumes that you have access to a computer running Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, and that you can install software on this computer. There will be concepts mentioned and comparisons made that only make sense to people who have written programs in other languages. If you are comfortable with another procedural or object-oriented language like Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, C, or C++, you should be fine. Like Go, this course is focused on server-side development and command-line tool development, and it would be ideal if you have experience developing software that runs on a server or on a command line. By the end of this course, you should understand when Go is a good solution to a problem. You should also be familiar with the basic concepts and syntax of Go. This means you should be able to understand a program that's written in Go, and while expertise will take longer than 3 hours, you should be able to write a simple program in Go and run it.